Hi to everyone, guys. With this podcast, I would like to show you how to compare the occurrence for a certain genus between OBIS and GBIF. OBIS is the Ocean Biogeographic Information System, while GBIF is the Global Biodiversity Information Facility. And as an example, I will use the genus Spirobranchus, which is the Christmas tree worm. Once in the home page of the GBIF, you can type the name of the genus to which you are interested in, Spirobranchus, and press enter. I will select the first result because this is the classification to which I'm interested in, Blainville. The green box shows you the total occurrences, the total observation that were uploaded on the database, and these are more than 40,000 observations, while the map shows the distribution of the occurrences for the genus in the world. And it is important to notice that often the number of georeferenced records is much lower than the total number of occurrences in the database. Now, clicking on metrics, you can observe different graphics in which the occurrences are plotted against different independent variables, such as, for example, the different month of the year, or the year themselves, or even the type of observation. For example, yellow are occurrences that comes from human observation, while pink are occurrences that comes from preserved specimen. And finally, there is also a graph in which occurrences are plotted against the different countries, or in case also different area of interest. And what is interesting is that each graph can be observed as an histogram like this, or as a list, or even as a pie chart, and they all are showing the same information. Now, if we go on the home page of the OBIS database and we type the name of the genus in the white bar, we can see that the interface of the database is slightly different. There is here as well the distribution map, and you can zoom in, you can zoom out. And then if you go in the section statistics, there is the occurrence records. And you can observe that in OBIS, the occurrence records for the Spirobranchus genus is much lower, is almost the half of the GBIF total number of records. And this is because OBIS contains data about half of the named marine species, while GBIF has a record of over half of all named species on Earth, not only the marine ones, but also the terrestrial ones. So, if you are searching for marine genus or marine species, it is better to use both databases, because GBIF could contain terrestrial datasets with some useful marine records, such as, for example, herbariums or museum collections. Now, as in GBIF, also in OBIS, you can observe that the records, the occurrences, are plotted against independent variables, such as the year. But the advantage of using OBIS is that the occurrences are plotted also against environmental conditions, such as the sea surface temperature, the sea surface salinity, and the sample depth. And this could prove useful when you're interested into modeling the distribution of a species or of a genus. I hope that with this podcast I will help you someday. And in the meantime, I thank you for your attention and I wish you a Merry Christmas. Bye bye.